Hi everyone, it's Shannon and welcome to today's video. So today's video is going to be a little bit different. It's going to be part unboxing and then part review. So right now I'm going to be doing the unboxing portion. I have mentioned before that, YouTube is a part-time thing for me. I do it just for fun. I do have a full-time job. I do work remotely from home and I primarily work on my computer and I'm on the phone on my computer all day long. We use Microsoft Teams, so I'm constantly on the phone via my computer. Right now, I have just been using regular old headphones, and they are kind of outdated and I needed to get an upgraded. Well, I got contacted about trying out from Anker some headsets. So when they offered to send this to me for a review, I took them up on it because I have been needing to get some headsets that I could use for work with my computer so that I can use this during the day. So very excited to be trying this out. Really looking forward to it. Let's go ahead and unbox it. Well, before we unbox it, let's go ahead and talk about what it is. So it is the Anker A1 powered wireless headset, PowerConf H700, and it is this is some of the things it says. It says super clear calls via AI powered noise reduction, meeting transcription with Anker Work computer software that I won't need, digital hybrid active noise canceling, very important, compatible with leading video conferencing platforms that I definitely need, smart mute for in-person conversation, also because a lot of times my husband will walk in, so that's awesome. And then up to 24 hours talk time. So you can charge it, but it's going to be up to 24 hours. So this is something I'm very, very excited to try. Okay, so taking a look at it, you open it from the bottom and then it is just automatically in the case. And you'll see this is how it looks. So it's just in the case and then the manual right here. So I love that it comes in a case because I do have a 6-year-old that might think this is a toy. So I can be able to stack it up at night and you just unzip it and there it is. So looking at it and feeling at it really quick, it is very, very lightweight. So just pressing it so far, and I can tell already how it's going to be noise canceling because I can barely hear myself talk while they're on. So very excited. I feel like gonna look very official on my calls, but really, really excited to try them out. And I am positive they're going to be a lot better than the headphones I've been using. So that was the unboxing portion of this video. I'm probably going to get it set up, probably not today, probably another day, but I'm going to get it set up and then I'll probably do some footage of me using it in my typical work day to get a feel for it and give you a full review of what I think of it. Now, I did receive this product complimentary from Anker, so thank you very much for sending it. However, it is just for my honest review, no obligation. This video is also not sponsored. I just did receive the product for free. So, but I am anxious to get it set up. Okay, so here is all the little tidbits for the computer. So I'm on my laptop right now and I'm gonna plug this in and try and get it connected. So all I had to do was plug that little piece in the USB, put my headset on and turn on the power. I put on YouTube to kind of test it out and it's working perfectly. So I have no makeup on. I have a couple meetings today, so I'm going to be testing this out with those meetings. I've got about 6 hours worth of calls. So I'm going to be testing it out with that, and then I will come back later today with my initial thoughts. Okay, so I wanted to give a quick review and update of the Anker H700. I have been using it now for 2 days, and I'm absolutely in love with it. And it's been great. It cancels out all the noise. So I was using headphones before, and it, obviously didn't cancel out. This cancels out, all the noise, which is great because especially when I'm on calls, sometimes UPS will come, FedEx will come, and they will ring the doorbell, bang on the door, and Now, if I'm waiting for something, that could be a problem, but it's fantastic. So the audio is really clear. I've actually had to bring down the volume on my computer because the volume is so much better than my previous headphones. Everyone, I've asked people, I said, hey, I'm testing out some new headphones. How's it working? How do I sound? Everybody has said I've been clear. So I was on a call yesterday. Well, I was on several calls, but it was about 6 hours worth of calls. And then today I've been on 4 hours worth of calls. Everyone has said I was clear, never got to, never was, staticky from what I heard because I was asking for feedback. Everybody said it was fantastic. So I am thrilled to have this. I have only charged it once. There is an on-off button, and right now when you turn it on, it will tell you the battery's high. It's still saying the battery's high. So I've been using it now for 2 days and the battery's still high, and I haven't had to charge it again. So I'm assuming that once it's a low battery, it'll tell you it's a low battery, but I haven't had to use it yet. But it's been really easy. I didn't have to download any software either. I just plugged it into my computer and was able to use it because I cannot download any other software to my work laptop. So I could not do that, but I was able to use it with my work laptop at very easy. It also gave me an attachment where I can connect it to my Mac. So I'll be able to connect it to my Mac as well. But all in all, I'm thrilled to have this. Definitely upped my my Zoom call meetings with this rather than my little headphones that I've been using for 2 years. And Anker did give me a 20% coupon just until January 31st of 2022. So this is going up, I believe it's January 12th. Hopefully it's going to go up on January 12th. So this coupon code is only going to be available for 20% until January 31st, 2022. So 20% is going to save you quite a bit of money off of these headphones. So if you are looking to, up your Zoom call game, or just need some headphones and for your, personal use for whatever, definitely recommend. Again, it's the Anker H700. Really, really thrilled. So thank you very much for sending them to me. I'm very, very happy to have these. And with that, if you like this video, click like, click and subscribe. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Bye, everyone.